Right. The next one that I'm going to open is sort of a hamper, but it's in the bag. Yeah, I'm sitting it down so it's easier, from my carers group. So this is the one. Ta-da! It's a hamper from my carers group. And let's see what we have here. We have here cocoa dusted truffles, Moseroth, whatever. And then we have a chocolate. Ooh, this is nice. Galaxy chocolate in the glass and with the chocolate dip and marshmallows. Fattening. And we have a little bottle of Prosecco, Costellora. I don't know. I might try Prosecco. I don't really drink, but I think I haven't actually tried Prosecco before. It will be a good time for me to try, and then I'll blush because my face will get red when I drink alcohol. And we have this green tomato chutney. I think it's made by Rachel, one of our members. And it's so nice of her to make this personalized gift to us. Okay, this is antibacterial lid in an easy carry pouch, and it's dishwasher free from Costa. I suppose we can use this as a cap for all our drinks. Yeah. Of course, there's a card. Season's greetings. It says, Happy Christmas. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. From Time Out Carers. I'm a member of the Time Out Carers group, and I'm in I'm the so-called secretary in our Time Out Carers group, and we're based in Barwell, and we serve. We won't say we serve. We cover the Hinckley and Bosworth Borough Council area, and we are a carers group that is a bit different from all other carers, because our group is formed. All of us are carers, and we do not have like another organization supporting us like VASL or whatever. So we are a group of carers for carers, and we raise funds and do things to help us carers to, to have a better mental health, to have some outlet for us to speak to people who, and to, mix with fellow carers. And if you have not been a carer, you will never understand what the life of a carer is. So it's different, but it's tough. It's tough. Yeah. So this group has been very good to all of us. We have a safe place to talk and chat, and we don't expect anything from anybody. No, we're not judgmental at all. So this is a fantastic group that we started about 2 years ago. I'm going to cry. Okay, and then we have this face mask. Okay, face mask from I don't know where is it from. Again, Christmas hug. Time Out. Let me see. Oh, this is nice. Nowhere to go during Christmas because of the lockdown. And we have here Moors Hinkley Hedgerows by Mallory Baked Mix. I think it's a raspberry sort of blackberry alcoholic juice drink or something like that. No, I haven't tried it yet, and it's very new. I'll try it on Christmas Day. And we have our 2 sponges pudding. No, I think it's only 1 because I think they cut it, they cut it into 2. It comes in 2, so we get 1 each. A single cracker to pull on my own. And this is a tiny little Christmas cake made by one of the members. And it's good that it's very small, because Christmas cake can be very I wouldn't say it's yucky. It's very, you can only eat this much, you know, not the whole pudding. So modern families now do not have that big large numbers, unless of course you have your family visiting from elsewhere. So this is a nice size. It says here, Happy Christmas, time's up. And we have our cheese cracker selection for cheese and audio or whatever. Yeah. And we have a selection of cheese. I'm not really a cheesy person. The cheese that I eat is like cheddar or whatever. I'll put it in the pasta, you know, or pizza and some food. But this looks okay. It comes with a British matured cheddar is okay. Mild and creamy French brie is okay. British red Leicester, that's okay. Wensleydale with cranberries, that's okay. Long Clawson Blue Stilton. Now, Blue Stilton, I can't take. It's too strong for me. But anyway, my daughter and my husband loves this, so it's perfect for Christmas. Well, that's all. That's quite a lot of gifts, a lot of presents from the carers group. See? Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, so we have that for Christmas. That's the hamper from the carers group. So now we're going to go to another one.